welcome to OpenBOM for Visma Business NXT. I'm Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM, and let me take you on a little tour of OpenBOM for Visma. I'm just going to start with our bicycle. We all understand that. Open a bicycle BOM, and since my company has a Visma and OpenBOM subscription, OpenBOM for Visma subscription, I see the Visma button appears up here. I make some changes and get my BOM details ready, and it's just as easy as clicking OpenBOM for Visma button up at the top. I'm going to authenticate. The OpenBOM for Visma UI will appear in the flyout. I'm just going to do this all real time here. I want to show you that I've mapped a few properties ahead of time. We make it quite easy for you to keep track of what is mapped and what is required. So with a couple of filters there. I've also have a page here for authentication. In my case, I've got a demo account in Visma. So I'm just going to go ahead and send this digital bill of material to Visma. I'll get some, I think there's about 25 or 6 items here in the end that will be sent. Keep in mind we're going through multi-level. So 27 items. I've got 22 top-level items here, 27 items counting sub-levels and reuse. So that's done there in real time. And I'll go ahead and open up my Visma Business NXT. And those of you that are familiar with Visma know that you'll want to go to your warehouse, base data, and products. And I'm just going to do a quick search here through my products. I know that starts with an SW. I see I've got my road bike right up here at the top. I can investigate product information, check out product structures. Back to my bike here. Product information, check out my product structure, pricing, all the other information that I've sent across, as well as product structure breakdowns here in Visma. So that is OpenBOM Visma for OpenBOM for Visma, and I hope everybody enjoys that. We'd love to hear from you, of course, at support@openbom.com.